Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a terms and conditions page for your Shopify store. Having clear terms and conditions helps protect our business and sets the right expectations for our customers. From the Shopify dashboard, we just need to go to Settings. Once we are in Settings, we need to click on Policies in the bottom left. Here, we will be creating terms and conditions of service. We just need to click this option. Now, we can either write our own text or insert a template. Once we insert a template, Shopify will generate a ready-made terms and conditions for us. Let's wait for it to load. Once it's ready, we just need to click Save. If it hasn't finished loading yet, we just need to wait a moment and it will be done shortly. Once everything is complete, here are our terms and conditions. If we want to make any changes, we can always edit this at any time. And that's how we create a terms and conditions page in Shopify. This page helps build trust with our customers and keeps our store legally protected.